PSLE 2022, Paper 2, Question 7. Remember, I have been sharing with you how to go about solving word problems effectively and efficiently. We are not supposed to read the entire question at one whole, at one chunk. We need to read line by line, sentence by sentence. When we read, we have to annotate at the same time, pick up keywords, pick up important phrases, pick up important clues, so that all these help us to identify the concept, the heuristic that's most suitable to solve the problem. After getting the answer, we have to check that our answer is correct by evaluating. We have to use a different concept, a different heuristic. Usually a word problem can be solved in two ways, right? Either using a different heuristic or to work backwards. Now, evaluation is an important strategy. Now, if both methods are wrong, giving us the wrong answer, we have to reread, re-annotate, and the cycle repeats. This is a question for today. Question 7 from the year 2022. It is a line graph. Now, the graph shows the temperature of water in a pot from 9 to 9:30. It is a 24-hour clock annotation. So it is about the fall in water level, fall in temperature. Now, for how many minutes was the temperature of water 50 degrees and above? So we have to focus on 50 degrees and below, and below. So 50 degree and below is focusing on here. This part here, okay, 50 degree and below. So 50 degree is at 9:10, all the way to below means 0, so it's 9:30. So from 9:10 to 9:30 is simply 20 minutes. So A is done. Okay, so answer for part A is 20 minutes. It's a very simple P3 question involving time duration. Next question is part B. Next slide. During which two 5-minute intervals did the temperature of the water decrease at the same rate? Now the important keyword is same rate. Okay, same rate means the difference must be the same. Okay, so we have to do this, we have to work out everything. All right, so we have to read the line graph very carefully. Now at 9 o'clock, it is actually 95 degrees. Okay, I'm so present it over here. At 9 o'clock 0900, it is 95 degrees Celsius. At 9:05, it is 75 degrees Celsius. At 9:10, it is 50 degrees Celsius. At 9:15, it is 35 degrees Celsius. So reading the line graph, interpreting the line graph is important. All right, we should know this. It is actually what we need to know. Actually, we have already learned this since when we started learning line graph, right? And we also know how to read line graph in science question. Okay, at 9:25, it is 10 degrees Celsius. At 9:30, it is 10 degrees Celsius. So we have read the line graph already. Interpretation is done. So let's find out the difference between each time interval. Now 95 drop down to 75, that is a decrease of 20 degrees Celsius. From here to here, decrease of 25. From here to here, decrease of 15. From here to here, decrease of 20. From here to here, decrease of 5. And finally, decrease of 0. Okay, so we want which two having the same rate? So from here, it is very obvious it is this 20 and this 20. So this 20, the first 20 is caused by these two intervals. So the first answer is from 9 o'clock to 9:05. The second one is this two. All right. So it's the before and after timing. Okay. So actually, part B is easy. Moving on to part C. What was the change in temperature? Change in temperature means, again, it's like the interval idea. So we want to find the difference in temperature. Okay, so it's the same as the interval, quite similar to part B. What was the change in temperature per minute from 9:25 to 9:30? So they're asking this part. The change is from 10 is okay, 9:25 is 10 degrees Celsius. At 9:30 is still 10 degrees Celsius. It is a constant value, so there's no change. All right, so the answer for part C should be 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, all right. Question 7 is completed. Question 7 is a easy question. All right, it's involving line reading of line graph, and it's testing us on the intervals, which means the differences between two values. Coming up next, I will be sharing with you question 6, and it will be uploaded on my YouTube channel. So to know when it will be uploaded, shared in my YouTube channel, very simple. All you have to do is to subscribe